Alright, welcome to the channel, Cowboy Trades here. Today I'm just going to show you a very simple way how you can add indicators to your charts on TradingView. So if you're new to TradingView, come over to tradingview.com, pick any chart you want, and then what you want to do is you want to sign up for an account, because for most of these indicators you won't be able to use them unless you've signed up. So this chart looks a little bit plain. Let's add some EMA ribbons and an RSI indicator onto this. So what you want to do, come up to the top left here, click on indicators, and to start off with, we're going to keep it simple and add RSI. You just want to use this top one. And while we're doing this, add these to your favorites. This will make it a lot simpler for later if you want to reset your chart and then add new things onto it. So very simply click it, and then you can see you have an RSI screen down here. Now you can click on this little panel between the two of them to make it smaller or bigger, and you can also use your mouse scroll to make this bigger, even though you're making the window smaller. So I like the looks of that. I'm going to keep it like that. And now I want to add some EMA ribbons onto the chart. Once again, come over to indicators, click on indicators and type in EMA ribbon. Now this is why I said you needed to sign up, because if you do not sign up, it will come up with a sign-in screen when you try and put in EMA ribbon. So I'm going to use this first one by Dogelon, and what you want to do, once again, favorite it, click on it, and now you can see we have both EMA ribbons with buy and sell signals on our chart, and we also have an RSI indicator. Now to finish it off, I'm also going to add the MFI, which is the money flow index. You want to favorite this, add it to the bottom, and there we go. Once again, you can resize this at your liking if you click and drag, or you can use your mouse wheel to just simply scroll. I'm going to readjust these to make these a little bit smaller because I want to focus on the actual screen. And also, if you want to adjust the EMA ribbons, you can click on them here. You can make these moving averages longer or shorter. So I'm actually going to make the short-term moving average a lot thicker than the other ones, and we're going to save it like that. So you can see the short-term moving average, when it's on the downside it's the dark red line, the big one, and when it's on the upside it's this big green line. You can also mess around with the EMA ribbons, change the actual EMA that they're on. You can change their inputs. You can have show EMA ribbons, show the 200 EMA, but I'm going to keep it how it is. I like it like this. Now finally, how do you remove these indicators and then add them back if you want them for later? So the easiest way to delete them is simply scroll down here, and you'll see a few options. You can move the pane down or up. I'll show you. If we move it down, we've got the money flow indicator on the top now, and then if I want the RSI back on the top, I'll move the money flow indicator down. But to get rid of these, simply click delete pane and you'll see it deletes. Now I want to give you like a slight tip, because sometimes I've added indicators, and no matter how many times I delete them, as soon as I refresh the chart, they appear right back on the chart. So if you're having the same problem, right click on the screen and click remove indicators, and then you'll get a fresh screen again. And then what happens if you want to add all your indicators back? Simply click on indicators again, and you'll see the indicators that we've favorited over here. Now don't know where the EMA ribbons have gone, so we'll type that in again. EMA ribbon, we favorited these, so I don't know where they went, but nonetheless you can click on that. We can add back the money flow index, and we can add back the relative strength index. So just a very quick simple update intended for people who are new to TradingView on how to use these indicators. There are tons of different indicators on here. You can scroll through as many as you like. I like to keep it simple. I like the MFI, RSI and EMA ribbons. So that's all I've got for you today. Cowboy out. Hope that was helpful. Peace.